Welcome to our video tutorial for the Mockup function with the new updates from Copilot4DevOps V6. In this video, we will cover how to create mockups, wireframes, and front-end views to illustrate your requirements and features that you're building. You can build your mockups from several inputs. You can add your prompts and instructions on how you want this mockup to be built out. You can add very simple instructions, or you can provide detailed instructions and prompts to build out your model. We have a rewrite prompt option here, which really helps close the gap between beginner-level users to prompt engineering and more advanced-level users. This will rewrite your prompt and instructions to make them more consumable for Copilot. You can also select a single work item or multiple work items as part of your input, or turn off your work item input here. In V6 of Copilot, you'll also have the ability to upload files as part of your input as well. This could be documents or other mockups imported from other tools. You can either use the file upload to provide context to the model you want to build, or use it to re-render a legacy view into DevOps. These mockups can be published back into DevOps as work items, or exported directly as an HTML file or as a PNG image. This brings us to the end of the video on the mockup function. Be sure to check out all of our other videos on Copilot4DevOps.